Welcome back to the channel. Right back at with some more TRD parts. Excited. Today we're going to be doing this. This is a rear valance, I guess. I just call it a rear lip spoil. It is OEM, but it's a little bit beat up. Both these parts are a little tattered. You can make them perfect by repainting them, but I'm not going to. That being said, the OEM one's good because it is actually a little bit more aggressive than the other brand that no one ever talks about. Is called Wings West. But you can see right here it says Toyota. This is the OEM. We just did the OEM TRD wing. Yeah, Wings West, it's just not as aggressive. All things on the OEM is more aggressive. They call it the action package. This spoiler sits up higher right here on the OEM one. The Wings West or aftermarket replicas, they sit a little bit lower. This sits at the very, very top. This side skirt right here, these canards right here, a little bit more aggressive. The replica, they actually tuck in a little bit. The same thing with this. This one actually sticks out. This is why people want the OEM one. These little diffusers, I guess you would say, they actually stick out a little bit more on the OEM one. So that's why people want one. So I thank you for Marcos who got me this. I'm also getting another side skirt because we're missing one. But we're going to install this rear valance and I'm going to show you guys how to. TRDs, just TRD parts, TRD parts, TRD parts. Pretty cool. I'm excited. I mean, it's cool to install OEM and TRD stuff. I think it has some of these videos, but not all of them. This one, I don't think I have a video of this one ever uploaded. So what we're gonna do actually, to make it easy, we're gonna lift up the car. And then I do like to have it on jack stands, and then I do like to buzz off the rear two wheels so I can get a nice fitment and not just half butt this job. So we are gonna lift the car up on two jack stands. We are gonna remove the two wheels. Wheels are off on jack stands. This rotor is just absolute trash. This is garbage. I cannot believe we drove 5,000 miles on this thing. Everything about this sucks. I did notice though, I think they put not brand new, but new brake pads on this, and then they didn't get rid of this rotor. Are you insane? You guys are insane. Just toss this rotor. They did do the suspension, and it does look like an OEM like replacement. That's why it sits so high. OEM exhaust is down there, trash. Can't wait to get rid of that. I honestly would just buzz that off right now if I had another one. CELICA sounds so much better with the aftermarket exhaust. Don't drive with OEM. Okay, it's up in the air, rear valance. So here's the rear valance right here. You can see that there's gonna be a hole, it holds right here. Then there's these little clips underneath that you can use right here that hold it as well. See these right here? And then right here and right here. A good idea is to put 3M on the back of this. I can actually feel that there's old 3M right here. And then you can also put 3M around this weather stripping so it sits flush. It is a good idea to use a jack stand to hold it up right here in the middle as you're mounting it. Again, this paint's not good. It's not the best paint right here. And then over here, they're not the best paint. But what I call this car is going to be 5 to 10 feet, where it looks really good from 5 to 10 feet away, and then you get up close and it's not perfect. The actual car is in pretty good condition, but my parts are not in the best condition, but they are red. And then this is not going to be my most show car. The Tsunami was definitely a show car, and I miss my Tsunami Celica, but this one's not going to be as show car, which is okay. I'm okay with it. The main one with this is just supercharge and maybe some like racetrack videos. I haven't done that before, and I need to do that. I need to get better. So we'll do some maybe racetrack videos with this car, quarter mile and circuit, which why not? This would be great for that. So let's go ahead and grab this rear valance right here. We're gonna put some 3M on the back of this and then mount it up. You just can't beat OEM fitment. Okay, so what I did was I lined it up. I put a little bit of 3M tape behind here, a little bit of 3M tape on the back of this, and then a little 3M tape right here. I came in, and what you're gonna wanna do, so what you're gonna wanna do is I recommend using black hardware for everything. It looks the best. So black hardware with a washer. This is a screw. I did not use, and these are usually screw too, they're like screw bolts. You can drill a hole and then use a plastic push pin. Don't recommend it. Do this screw, it'll hold. It's the best, it doesn't wiggle or anything like that. And I do recommend buying black ones. So we did one up here and then one down below. These two are the OEM ones. Maybe they are OEM, I can't tell. I don't like them, we're gonna replace them. This is for the extra little mud flap right here. So you can see that. I have seen it, people back in the day, because you know I've owned a lot of CELICAs, where you'd make a custom one of these and it'd be a huge piece right here if you wanted to protect any wheel kick up. But I don't think it really matters it's pretty much at the end of the car anyways, it just goes out. So that looks good. So let's take these two off and we'll match them with these two black screws here. You can get black screws at hardware stores for about $2, $2 to $4 for a pack of 20. Just think that that looks so much better when you do all black. I mean, I just don't like that kind of, I don't like that. I like this. I think that looks better. I am, how do you say, like OCD? I definitely have that. Okay, this looks good to me and I like that. So we're gonna do it on the other side to make sure it stays up, and we'll just duplicate that on the other side. I'll go show you that now. The tape is important. I do recommend using 3M tape. It does keep body panels like flush. This, like this right here, Toyota uses push clip pins, which is good. So you can move it and pull it off back and forth. But the 3M tape really makes it a flush look, especially, I don't know if you guys know this, but a lot of the car manufacturers from factory, including that TRD wing, use the 3M or double-sided tape from factory. It's the same thing they use to put badges on, like the Toyota badge, that same tape. So it's not, you know, like, how do you say it? It's not like hood rat. It's not gangster or anything like that. It actually works. Look how much better it looks when the hardware is all black. That looks good. Do all black hardware. That being said, I can't wait to get rid of that stock exhaust. Oh gosh, I just can't. I'm gonna just toss that thing away. Can't wait to do a brake job, coilovers, slam this thing. Again, I think we should do racetrack days. All right, rear valance is installed. How hard is this? It's probably a 2 because you have to put the car up. 1 stuff, you don't have to put it on jack stands. 2 stars, just because you have to put it on jack stands, and it's probably gonna be taking an hour. So put it up on jack stands, pull the wheel off. Why do you pull the wheel off? I don't know if I explained that. The reason why is you want to be able to get the screws flat, I mean directionally like that. If you're coming in with a tire here, you're going to like that and get it crooked. You don't want to do that. So just take the time, take the wheel off, put it on jack stands. Let's throw the wheel back on and see how it looks. We now have 3 out of the 5 TRD pieces on the car. 1, 2, 3. We're missing a side skirt, which hopefully Marcos can get me. Right here, he's amazing. Thank you again, Marcos. And then we do not have the TRD front lip. We will be doing a Greddy front lip. This front bumper got chewed up from that road trip. Can't wait to get rid of the headlights, and then supercharger. I'm gonna do a video of ordering the supercharger. I need to order the supercharger from Monkey Wrench, but I need to do oil change. I'll be doing an oil change. I need a lot of things, tons of things. Also, I can't wait to do tint. I like tint on cars. It makes them look so aggressive. But that's a super sporty right there. Oh, what a great car. Yes, I forgot. Look at this. Oh my gosh. We could have died. I'm excited. I think I'm gonna do some GR86 wheels. I'm not sure. I do want some lightweight stuff though, but I think, what do you guys think? I think that these, I should do it right now. I think that these would probably look really good. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure what I want to do yet with the wheels. I did Koenigs in the past, the Hypergrams. I've done the BRZ STI versions. Those were good. I've done a ton of wheels on the Celica. I've done the OEM ones. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I want OEM. They make a 2023 GR86 special edition wheels, but they're like $3,000, but I'd love to have those. They're like as much as a car, not that much, but they're really expensive. They're a huge portion value of the car. The GR86 ones are probably their front runner. I think I'm probably gonna get those ones. It looks so much better. I love it. Wow, value add. That car looks so good. Hey, I found this. This is a 3rd brake light cover from one of my old cars, and I have it black. Do you guys think I should put it on? Like that? Nah, I think I'm gonna leave it off for now. If I do end up painting the roof or wrapping the roof, I usually paint stuff. If I paint the roof black, then maybe, yeah, I'll put that there. But that's kind of cool actually, because, and all you gotta do is throw some 3M tape on there and it'll stick, because we now have this brake light. All right, TRD Valance installed. This looks great. Let's pull the car out of the garage. Nice race car, real race car, real race car. Soon to be real race car. Look at this. 10 out of 10. TRD. Can you beat the TRD? Comment down below. I don't know. This is a factory kit. I don't know, guys. Can you beat the TRD? Is there a better kit for the 2000 to 2005, 6, 7 Toyota Celica? I don't know. I think that this is the best. This might be the best look for the 7th generation, right there. I do wish I kind of got a black one. Not gonna lie. I love the red. I'm obsessed with red, obviously, but I kind of wanted to try a black one. But I'm happy, happy, happy. Biggest thing that gotta go is this ugly, ugly stock exhaust. I like that I did the wing where it's just always on. Again, all I did was splice it into the LEDs that are from MITSUBISHI.com, the license plate lights. We did do a license plate frame, black, so that I don't get pulled over. We're in Washington. This looks good. I think 10 out of 10. It looks so much better with the rear lip and the TRD spoiler. Same thing with this. It looks better with the lip and the spoiler. You have to do both. If you just do one or the other, it doesn't look that good. Especially a lot of people just do the spoiler, and in my opinion, it looks better with this no spoiler and a lip. I think that actually looks better than a spoiler and no lip. When there's no lip on the bottom of it with the spoiler, it makes the car even look taller. We do need a lower. There's tons of things that we need to do. I'm very happy with how far we've already come. I mean, this is amazing. Marcos, thank you so much. I'm very, very thankful. This is awesome, Marcos. Thank you. Looks good. I'm excited for the front lip. Definitely got to get rid of these headlights. Got to get that supercharger. So what we'll probably do now is I got, you know, like 20 other mods I need to do before we get on the supercharger. If anyone has a driver leather seat cover that I can buy from you, I'll buy it from you. Other than that, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. I hope that this was helpful. TRD rear valance install, pretty much 3M tape and 4 screws. It's not that hard. Definitely recommend putting the car up on jack stands. Do that. Do yourself a favor, put it up on jack stands. It will, so you can get those screws in perfectly and kind of be thorough like I did, because it'll end up looking mint like that. I think that looks perfect. So OEM looking. Yeah, we did go with that. Again, like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. This car will be supercharged real soon. Supercharged. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to hear that whine. We're gonna be sending it when it's supercharged.